So we really only need the tabletop. You guys can keep the base of it.
You don't need the base?
No.
Everyday patches then light up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the actor. Oh, the legend. Capitalist.
I have to go home because me and my mom are picking up this glass tabletop. But that will be a whole separate video of like just the furniture I've been getting and stuff like that. Hopefully I'm in frame. But my mom just said I should mention this in the vlog, which is very true. But my camera's at home charging. But we just went to pick up that table I was just talking about, and it didn't work out. But I feel like well, my mom's like it's meant to happen, which I feel like is true because it was pricier. So I think I could find a cheaper one. But basically, I'm either looking for a replacement glass, like tabletop just being sold by itself, or I'll just buy the whole table as long as the glass is removable, because then I can just use the tabletop. Because basically, I already have a table base. I just need a glass for it, and the table base I got on a really good deal. It was only $50.
Back on Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the Reverend preaching self.
This is like, wow.
After Trina hit, I had to track the campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since while I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on the way to make it out of Texas every night.
So me and my mom just picked up this TV. It's bigger than I thought. They said it's 60. It's definitely bigger than 60. So I will see how it fits when I get to the condo in a week and a half or so. But my mom is just saying we need to make it work because it's really nice, and I got it for a very good price. So we shall see what happens with the mount, which is right here. If I can find a table where the glass I can just lift up and take off, I can do that. But for this one, it was like connected to the base with like these metal brackets. So there's these silver squares like glued onto the glass, which isn't gonna work. I just need like a plain glass that just sits on top of a table. So didn't get a table. I will find another one. So now we're just going to pick up this fireplace. Originally I wanted it for myself, but I think it'll be too small, so my mom wants it, and then we're gonna pick up mine like later on in the day. So this is what we got so far. I really like this. Like, it literally looks like a real fireplace. But my mom is probably taking this one. And then they were also selling this console table that I got, which is so nice.
It is nice. You could put plants on it. And
yeah, it always surprises me how much stuff my car can fit, because like it literally fit the console table and the fireplace. Yeah, fireplace is very nice, but I think it'll be too small for the area. Plus, and my mom could have, I don't want to say it yet, but it looks like it's going to be my mom's.
Don't say you don't know, because I paid my $20.
This fireplace was $20.
Yeah, that's why I want it. Plus, it's like substantial. So not like, you know, rinky dink.
They listed it for 40 and she sold it for 20 because they're moving, so they just want to get rid of everything. Oh,
this is the time to buy from people. The
fireplace that will probably be mine, we're picking up at 6, and I told him if he's free earlier to just let us know. But we're gonna go to Dollar Tree
and maybe a thrift store somewhere in Ajax, hopefully. Yeah.
These are so nice and very my style, but they're like $36. And I feel like that's a good price for painting, but I'll do decor stuff later. I'm not finding anything, so I think that's a no for me. These are the only things I'm getting. I wasn't supposed to buy shoes, but I actually really like them. They're very unique. I'm kind of feeling these. I was actually looking for a good like kitten heel moment, and these are that. I lied, I also found a purse. I shouldn't be buying apparel, but like these are very nice. And I needed a black purse. And these low-key kind of go together. Okay. Okay, this is mad cute. $4. I think I'm going to get this. I'll do decor stuff later. This is very cool, but I think it'll scare me. These are very cool, but I don't think. No, if they weren't like purpley, I would get it. Okay, Bob Marley. I'm pretty much just waiting for my mom now. I don't know what she's looking for, a lunch bag or a purse. I'm also getting these because they're really nice, and they're from where is the 9 West, which is a good brand. I actually wanted to get a salt lamp for my like night table, so I'm gonna take this. It's literally $7.99. So yeah, I'm gonna take this. But they actually have like furniture here. So you see they have a dining table for $40. Just went to pick up that table I was just talking about, and it didn't work out, but I feel like it's, well, my mom's like it's meant to happen, which I feel like is true because it was pricier. So I think I could find the cheaper one. Here we are, dressers. I'm contemplating that dining table. I said I wouldn't go more than 40 inches. It's 41, which is literally just an inch. $40. I might get it because all the other ones I've seen are very expensive, and it's hard to find the size that I want. I also found this. My mom has been saying I need to get like a massaging chair cushion for my car, and it's like 14 bucks, so I'm gonna get it. Oh, they have a filing cabinet. Oh, that's dirty though, but I do need one. I was saying that I either want a square or like a rounded square, and it's a rounded square, and it's very hard for me to find the sizes that I want on Marketplace. Everyone keeps staring at me for some reason. And it's not even that I'm vlogging. Like, I'll just be not vlogging, walking with my cart. Camera's nowhere in sight and everyone keeps staring at me. Did you see what's... Oh, a camera bay.
Oh, you're here. Oh, I did my pictures.
I was gonna come in anyway.
Oh.
I already have one. Did you see what's over there? Did you see what's over there?
No.
Look. Oh, look what I found also. You've been telling me to get.
Shut up. How much is that?
13. 14.
What?
And I have a salt lamp because I wanted to get one anyway.
I don't know if I'm getting this, but I'm just keeping it in there for now.
You have to tell me if I should get this because I'm contemplating it. $40? I mean, it's 41 inches.
Yeah.
So maybe I wasn't meant to get that table for a reason because it was $175 and this is $40. I don't need the base, just the table.
I like it.
And it's literally exactly what I need because it just lifts up.
Oh my god, Stacey.
It's perfect. $40.
Do you think it would fit in the car?
I mean, I don't want the base.
No, I know, but do you think it would fit?
You want the base?
I could take it, but...
It's not, the base won't fit, but the tabletop will just go on top.
Yeah, so we could come back.
I could literally just buy the top, the table, put the top in and put the base in the donations section. Because like, if you don't really need it, then...
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Because I don't feel like I'll find one this cheap. And this size.
You absolutely won't.
The way I've been struggling to find a table the correct size that I need.
$40.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
Yep. Yeah, that's... And I was literally thinking, what if I go in there and find the table?
That one right here.
Oh, I mean it works.
How much is it?
$8. Amazon, they're like 20 something.
Yeah.
I feel like when it's darker, it'll look more bright. So they said I just have to get a furniture slip, just peep our head in the back, and then they'll hold it for me, and then I'll come and pick up that table. This couch is $50. $50. Like, I would literally... It's not the color I want though, but like 50 is crazy.
Like, there's no way somebody's
$50? Like, wow.
I'd buy it.
It's like,
I'd buy it.
It's crazy.
I'm not even joking.
So we just remeasured my car opening. So I measured the bottom, which I know is 39 inches. which is like from here to here, the table's 41, and up here is a bit wider. It's 42 or so. So it might be better that we bring it now, so that we don't have to come back, which is great.
So I'm gonna see if this can fit right down here. Yep. I'll stick this over here.
And then we still have room like here for Dollar Tree stuff.
Yep. Yay, comes home.
Well, that worked splendidly. If it fits, I think it will though. I wish this was ready to sell right now because I'd buy it.
I'd get that snap lock thing.
But we're here to pick up the table. We could have literally just like carried it ourselves, but we have to drive through here for them to put it in the car. I'm gonna get my table. What I really need is some water. I'm so thirsty. This is great. I literally got a table for $40. I was hoping to pay $50, so the fact that I got even cheaper than that is great. Like, I'm very happy the one from earlier didn't go through, because
so they don't give you anything for donating.
That's fine. We can just tell them we only need. So we really only need the tabletop. You guys can keep the base of it.
You don't need the base?
No. It should slide right. We measured it. It should fit.
On top?
Yeah.
This way. Well, you're already holding it like that, so maybe.
Yay! That's awesome.
Amazing.
Have a nice
Thank you so
day.
much. Oh my gosh! Wow. Like, it's kind of good that we had stuff in there already. So I'll move it back.
In a bag, in a box.
I'm just shifting it back so that it's touching the back of it, so it doesn't move.
Yeah.
But maybe I should like put something. How can let me open it. Amazing.
You're gonna have to just drive careful. This is why I said you should get those cushiony things from the dollar store. So let's go get it and done.
Wow, that's great.
Listen, you have so much luck.
And that's them taking the base because we do not need it. So hopefully that can go to good use somehow. Thank you. Wow! That's crazy.
Right. I think they're throwing it out.
Oh. That's fine. Because I would never find a glass tabletop for $40. I didn't realize how expensive they were. Literally, I was looking at Home Depot, $300 and above for a tabletop.
Yep.
So now I got my dining table for $90.
This is why I thrift.
Because the base was $50. Wow.
This is why I thrift.
Amazing.
This is why people want to get rid of their stuff.
I'm not some bougie person that needs new stuff.
Yeah, but you want the stuff you get to look bougie.
Yeah. I guess.
That's what I do. I want my stuff to look bougie.
You guys will, well.
Kinda, sorta.
Yeah. I think I recorded I recorded the area we got the base from. That's perfect. I'm so
under $100.
Unheard of. Where did you do that at? My phone's honestly about to die, so I'm just gonna be vlogging. Ugh. I'm gonna buy a water right now because I'm thirsty. I'm gonna chug it.
Don't get this on me.
I know, of course not. That's the devil's water. I've seen this place on TikTok, and it happened to be in the same plaza as the Value Village, so we're gonna check it here. Not all that. I probably won't get anything in here. But I also said that about Value Village, so... Ooh, how much is this? No. 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 Ooh. No. I think I'm good. Dollarama, because the glass wasn't moving in here. Like, we literally drove and it pushed forward and like hit us in the head. Nothing crazy, but it just lightly hit us in the head. But we just went to Dollarama to get these non-slip placemats, and now it's like it's not moving at all. So yeah, it's not moving like at all anymore. Like it don't move. We're at the Salvation Army and I don't know what we're getting from here, but I guess I'll look at appliances and stuff, and then I will see. I don't know if we're going to Dollar Tree again today, but I will vlog it when I do go. I'm so upset. You guys are gonna see because I was at another Salvation Army or Value Village, I think, and I think I bought these already, but it was the soft cover. This whole thing's $10. I feel like I should get it. I feel like I should get it. If this whole thing is $10, bruh, I think I should get it. So I said I'm at Salvation Army. I'm in like the painting section, and I just stumbled across this, and I am definitely getting it because like I literally love everything about this. So I'm gonna get this. It's only $6. Even if it was more, I would honestly get it. This is kind of nice too, but no. I'm kind of iffy about getting certain stuff at thrift stores because like I really feel like they're cursed, but that one I'm definitely getting. There's also some dishes here, but I'm pretty sure I'm getting my dishes just from Dollar Tree. Who's that? I don't know who that is. I don't know him, never heard of him. Oh, I kind of like this lamp. I don't like it a lot. I kind of like it a lot. It's kind of cool. I also bought these from the dollar store because the one I have on is bothering me. Much better. I'm like on E, and the place we're picking up the fireplace is 3 minutes from here. The lighting though. So we just picked up my fireplace. It's not black, it's dark brown, so I'll probably paint it. But I think just one coat would hopefully work. But yeah, they didn't put it together properly because we tried to move it and like literally the middle part came down kind of. Like it's not broken, but we have to put it together better like when we get home or just whenever I'm moving.
So how much was it supposed to be?
$250. So I told him, he took 30 off. Well, I asked if he could do a deal. So, that's
good.
Yeah, so I'm like, oh, could you do $220? Because I have to like get stuff to fix it. He's
that's
like, okay.
good.
Yeah, so that works out.
It's nice though.
It is. Nice. Yeah, it is really nice. So me and my mom are great. We thought we were gonna have to struggle to take out my fireplace, but we figured it out. This guy did not put this together properly at all. I don't know what kind of handy skills these are, but yeah, nothing was secured. Like even when we were putting it in my car when we were at his place, he's like, oh, you have to hold it from the bottom. I'm just like, okay. I thought he was just giving good tips on how to like carry it because there were stairs there. And then I held the bottom and I'm just like, why is it moving? So literally it was not screwed together. Like as you can see, it's not broken or anything, but definitely not screwed together. So literally all that's holding this to it is this flimsy thin piece of metal. Then this piece was not secured to it at all, like literally at all. So me and my mom kind of just lifted it off and then leaned this up. So now we're just gonna remove this bracket and then it'll be in just like 3 separate pieces, which I think is way better. Yeah, I'll just literally keep it separate and put it together when I move. And I think I'll paint it separate as well, which will be easier. So maybe it's a good thing that it was like this because it's way easier. It's going to be way lighter. But yeah, I don't know what this guy did because like it literally just lifted off. This looks so good. I must say it is meant to be in my mom's house because like it matches so good. Baby,